Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2017 Harley Davidson Road King, and this one's in vivid black. Lots of really nice chrome detailing as well. We've got the white wall tires, front and rear. Engine guards up on the front. We have the Reinhardt Racing intake, and we also have the dual Reinhardt exhaust. Very nice. We have the rider and passenger floorboards with that little HD logo on it. Really clean bike. Also has the heel toe shifter. Very nice touch. Locking saddlebags. Saddleman seat. And miles are 10,750. In 2017, come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.